this is Tamara from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and today's Tuesday, and every Tuesday at 3 o'clock we do classes. They're free. You can watch them live if you don't live nearby, but if you live nearby, I highly encourage you to come because that way you can taste everything. So today's list, what I'm going to do is all things Baker's Basic. I'm going to teach you with this mix how to make a lemon poppy cake or muffin, orange creamsicle. We're going to use the skinny bread and make potato pancakes. We're going to also use this to make blueberry muffin and banana bread. Yes, you can make banana bread keto, believe it or not, and I'll show you how. Okay, the other thing we're going to do is do some comfort food with the noodles. I'm going to show you how to make cheeseburger mac and cheese with this and goulash. I'm going to make a curry noodle dish with these noodles. These are the angel hair. These are the macaroni style. And then with the ramen style, guys, these noodles look and taste like ramen noodles. I'm telling you, you need to watch my videos and see how to cook with these because they will give you your noodle fix, and this is as close to noodles as you're gonna get without being real noodles, okay? So we're gonna make Chinese food with these today, and that's probably what we're gonna do. I'm also gonna just take a second to show you guys how to use the oat fiber. I love this stuff. I use it almost every day. And if you're here, I made bone broth, so you can try my bone broth before you go home to make it. Okay, guys?